Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analyst. Today we're going to talk about the Nedbank Cup, the match between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, guys. That match, it's a very hectic match to even think about it. So yes, guys, the match will be playing on Saturday, and it's a cup final. We know that obviously everyone will be looking forward to that match. We know that it's not an easy match. It doesn't matter if the team is playing in the final and it's the another team is not playing in the finals. It doesn't matter if both teams they have different performances in the league. It doesn't matter, guys. We call it Soweto Derby, guys. So this is a derby, and now they are meeting in the final, guys. So I don't know how are your feelings about that, and I don't know your thoughts about it. But me, as an individual, I think Orlando Pirates, because they've been doing well and were winning domestic cups, especially this one back to back Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates, they are more experienced to come into this final. So I think that's the positive thing about Orlando Pirates, because they are the defending champions. And if you can see how they even playing right now, even over the weekend, you could see that Orlando Pirates, they still have that confidence, and you can see that they want this final, they want this cup again and again. So yes, guys. And then Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest, I don't even know how they went all the way to the final, but yeah, they came all the way. And I think they what they do have is the attacking. They have smart, sharp players there in the attacking front. I'm talking players like Lilepo. Yeah, he's one of the players who I believe maybe can destroy the Orlando Pirates defense. And then I don't know, that team, they are struggling. You guys can also see for yourself in the league. I think Kaizer Chiefs is position number 12 now. I think it's their worst season ever. So maybe if they can win this Nedbank Cup, maybe things will be better going to the next season. Maybe they'll have something to say that, yeah, but we won the Nedbank Cup against the Orlando Pirates, the mighty Buccaneers. So yes, guys, I think Kaizer Chiefs, they're struggling at the moment, but like I said, coming to this match, into this final, this is it's a derby. It's a it's going to be a very difficult one, because you cannot really say that or predict that each team is going to win, guys. But yeah, guys, we, even though we cannot predict, it's not easy for us to predict, but I still believe that we can at least try to share our predictions, because me as an individual, my predictions is that Orlando Pirates is going to win by 3 goals to 1, guys. I don't know how is that going to be possible, but I believe that Orlando Pirates, they have some of the stars that they can really do it. I mean, they've been going all the way using youngsters, not panicking. The way this coach Jose Rivero is so confident, he doesn't even feel anything. He's using these boys, and he can also use in about 7 players, 7 young players. So there's nothing you can really do against Jose Rivero. Uh, he's a very good coach, and in their previous match against Kaizer Chiefs, he showed Kaizer Chiefs that even if they can score first, he can still manage to come back. He can make a plan, and then he scored 2 goals, and then Orlando Pirates won the league game against Kaizer Chiefs. So now they're going to play again. It's a final. So do you guys really think that Kaizer Chiefs can beat Orlando Pirates or not, guys? Because For me, I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will beat Orlando Pirates that easily, because we know that Orlando Pirates, even there at the back, they have Bulldogs. I'm talking this young boy Mbokazi. I mean, he's been doing wonders, performing in the CAF Champions League, not only in South Africa, showing that he is ready and he's still young. So I mean, it really shows that in the Orlando Pirates, there's something special that is being done there, especially coming from the youngsters. I'm talking Tukutuku Makanya. There, you can see that he's doing the good job. So yes, guys, I mean, I think Orlando Pirates coming to this game, they will be very confident, but I think those are my predictions. Orlando Pirates winning by 3 goals to 1. But we know that it's a cup final, and especially it's a derby. So there's not really much I can say about this one, because I still have to think about it, because Kaizer Chiefs, I feel like in their previous matches they have not been playing their best team. So I still believe that maybe they will try to change their squad and play different players. I mean, they've been using both Pele and Mart, but I think now if maybe they can change that style in the midfield, because in the previous game against Orlando Pirates, they saw that Dlamini was introduced to open up that midfield, because he saw that Bata and Makaula, there was nothing that they can really do. But then introducing Dlamini to this match, he opens up the midfield, because they know Dlamini is comfortable on the ball and he has those short passes. He can hit the players, and he managed to even assist. We got a goal from the best player there, which is Patrick Tito. So yes, guys, that's how I think the lineup will be of Kaizer Chiefs. If that's how they can do it, maybe change that midfield, maybe I use maybe talented players, Vilakazi or Shabalala. Yeah, maybe if they can play those two players, yeah, it will be better. But I don't see Kaizer Chiefs winning using that Kele and Joseph Mart in the midfield, because I know that Orlando Pirates will head those players. So yes, guys, that's how I think the game will go. But if Kaizer Chiefs, they really want to win this match, that means they will have to really work hard, guys. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for Chillest Analyst.